Hey YouTube, hey YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you how to play Crazy Train by Ozzy Osbourne in standard tuning. You start off by the 6th string, 2nd fret, you hold that down and hit it twice. So you go. Then you're going to want to go to the 5th string, 4th fret, and you're going to want to hit that. And you go back up to the 6th string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to go to the 4th fret, or no, the 5th fret on the 4th string, hit it, 2nd fret on the 6th string, and then back over to the 5th string, 4th fret. You want to hit the 2nd one again on the 6th string, and you're going to want to go here, and then over to the 5th string, 2nd fret, and then you want to hit the 4th fret on the 6th string, and then the 5th, and then the 4th, 5th, then back up to the 2nd fret, and back over to the 6th string, 4th fret, then back to the 5th, then an open string. And then, once you put it all together, you can work on your speed and everything. It sounds like this. Or you can add in some distortion. And this is only the intro, and I'll teach you the rest in my next video of Ozzy Osbourne, so it goes like... Bye YouTube.